My name is Bimlendu Kaushik. I'm my IT working professional. I booked flat in Ganga New Town in C2 building, flat number is 1209. So basically I choose this particular property. The first is the connectivity because the East Pune's location like your Kharadi, Koregaon Park, Biman Nagar and the station of course and nearby your airport that is very much connected. And the main things is the schools, right? I have tried to choose the best school for my two kids, right? And within the vicinity, within 10 kilometers I can see at least 20 plus schools are there, the top schools are there, right? So first priority was my school and the second was the connectivity, of course, right? And why the Ganga New Town? Because I was looking for the bigger carpet area, right? The spacious flat, of course, and within these particular locations, I have visited so many properties, right? So many projects, right? And the reason for this is the first thing was the spacious flat and the bigger carpet size. And when I just about to know about the penthouse, then it was very much attentive for me, right? Because the spacious and the number of bedrooms and all other things that I came into my attention, and then I just decided to go with the penthouse. Okay, so I booked 3.5 BHK penthouse, and the amenities, of course, there are lots of amenities within for the childrens, for the senior citizen, for all the we can say the age groups. So there are ample amenities that anybody within this particular project can use and can enjoy all these amenities. Okay, so that is the main things to choose for the Ganga New Town.
Yep, and about the I just wanted to share my experience because it was very wonderful. From the day I came to inquire about the flat and the day I bought the flat and after that also. So the staff was very supportive. I would say wonderful. The thing was handled very wonderfully, and we asked for many changes in the flat also as per our Vastu, because I believe in Vastu. So, and I am very thankful to them that all those my requirements got accommodated. Though I was late, it was a bit late that I requested them to changes done in the flat, but that also got accommodated. So I would say that staffs here are very wonderful, very supportive, and they do their work very professionally. Apart from that, I'd say that yes, about the locality, I'll say that this is very growing area because all the other nearby area, if you see, that are very crowded. So this is very growing area, and you will see many developments here. And eventually, this area will also develop. But then, yeah. We because of that we prefer this area. And we have really very good amenities here, and that yes, flats are very spacious, and especially the construction quality, which was very attractive for me. And then I inquired, like I just compared it with the market, and we are truly satisfied that the construction quality provided here and definitely design. So it is also very attractive. We are very happy to buy a flat here in the new Ganga town, developed by Goel Ganga Development.